Honey, you can only take so much. Get a little dripping on your pants. How's that? Isn't that good? Popsicle. Oh, such a big mouth. You open up so wide. Wow. Oh, that's good, huh? That makes the teeth feel really good. Oh, Grandma.
You had the idea, Grandpa. She knew you'd come up with the right idea. She was waiting for you to come in. It says not been a good day with sore teeth. It's so good, honey. It's what you needed. Something cold.
You got a pretty big piece there.